How to fix Facebook not loading news feed. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can fix Facebook's news feed not loading. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's jump right in. To fix Facebook's news feed not loading, what you'll need to do is start with a basic troubleshoot, like checking your internet connection and restarting your device. So check for your internet connection and make sure you're connected to good, stable internet or mobile data. You can switch between networks and try to use other apps to check if those apps are loading or not. That will help you pinpoint the problem here. You can also restart the app completely. So open up your Facebook, swipe up from the bottom and remove it from the background. If you're using a web browser, you can refresh the page. And also another basic troubleshooting is restarting your device. So press on the volume up button and power button together and tap on the restart option. After that, moving on to other solutions, you can clear out your Facebook's cache and cookies. Go to your settings, go to apps, go to Facebook, then head over to storage and cache. From here, tap on clear cache and clear storage. After you've done that, you can then move on to your Google Play Store. Search for Facebook and check if an update is available. If there is, update the app. After you've done that, log back into your Facebook